To set up a D3 monitoring system, you will need your D3 base station at hand, the power cable plugged into a socket, and the Ethernet cable connected to a network port. Connect the Ethernet cable and power cable into the back of the D3 base station. Locate the button at the bottom of the base station and press the button to power up the D3. The screen will take a few seconds to load. You are now on the home screen of the base station. To locate the IP configuration, press the Info button. Take note of the IP address, as this is what you need to log into your system via your network. Using a laptop, PC or tablet, open any internet browser, type the IP address as found on the base station into the search bar and press enter. You will land on a login page. The default username is admin, all lowercase letters, and the password is 1234. Click sign in and you are now successfully logged into your D3 via your network. This is where you will continue to set up your D3 by pairing sensors, which can be seen in the next few videos. You will also log in here to review historic data, generate graphs, reports, and much more.